If an assessment is added to the job post, Vasi takes the candidate through the proctored test and sends the results to the recruiter. The recruiter view starts displaying the applications on the dashboard for each posted job. Each job detail page will display the applicants' profiles, along with the assessment scores, screening responses, and the next interview schedule details. This page further shows a detailed analysis of the score, the screening responses, allowing the recruiter to plan the next set of questions for the following rounds. With Vasitum, recruitment is easier, you save time, reduce costs, and find the best candidates efficiently. Come and reimagine recruitment with us.